What is it? Duryodhana could have agreed for peace. Why did this idiot wanted war? Total destruction. People will laugh at your decision. But listen to me, live as brothers. Krishna said, stop Krishna, your advice. I have not come here to seek your advice. I have come to demand your help to me. I want your help, physical help, not for your pravachanam, not for your niti. Come on. So arrogant he was, he says, I have come here to bala. Bala means army. Balavagabeku. You must become an arm, strength to us.
Avadhari sura vairi dharmashravana kosuga varevavu parthivara panthada kadana vidya kamavu yamagaidu nimage navitanda sari ಪಾಂಡವರಿಗೆಯು ಮನದೊಲವಿನಲಿ ಕೌರವರಿಗೆಯು ಬಲವಾಗಬೇಕೆಂದನು ಸುಯೋಧನನು.
I want the strength or the army for both Pandavas and Kauravas. Bala means, in Kannada, Bala means strength, Bala means army. Both the word, that word stands for both the meaning. Here, help, Bala, support, and army, Sainya also. I have come here to ask for your strength and your support. Strength means strength of the army. Krishna has got one Akshohini, Yadava Sainya. For that I have come here. I have come here to ask. Krishna, it seems, laughed in such a way that they were all in those days taking pan supari. Pan supari, they were chewing for this, with tobacco also. Then Krishna, it seems, the poet says, he laughs, and the spark of the tambulam fell on Krishna. Duryodhana, what is it? When I give you a chance, you refuse to take. You want help? All right. I will definitely give help, he said. Arjuna, Duryodhana is asking for help. What about you? Because the Indian tradition is always to ask the younger one first and then the elder one. You know, when you even divide, there is a first class legal luminary advocate, you ask him, because the younger one preference is first given and the elder one later given. Even aparkarmas, when elderly people die, when they do the samskaram, always the younger one first does the pradakshinam namaskaram and the elder in the end. So Krishna followed that. Arjuna, can you tell me what is your wish? Duryodhana has come here to ask for the army. What is your wish? What do you want? Whatever Arjuna asks, I will give, and then the remaining I will give to Duryodhana. Ittara parangalu. See how much Mahabharata has got all these points, and it was Krishna who always observes this one. He asks him, what do you want, Arjuna? Let us see what Arjuna asks. And Duryodhana asks for army. Let us see what Arjuna asks.
Muramathana chittaisu Kauravararasanati sirivantanu.
Muramathana, listen to me. Krishna, Arjuna says, Kaurava is in the ruling party. He is very rich. He has got all the facilities. He has.
Ida santarishalapanu bagalayadava sainya sagarava.
Before that, Krishna, because there is no time, I skipped one stanza which is very important. Krishna says, Arjuna, what do you want? Look here. On my side, I have got one Akshohini Sene, and myself, I have taken a vow, vrata, not to fight. One, and the army fights. I have got two things to give. I have to give something to you, Pandavas, and something to Kauravas. So, Arjuna, you tell me, I have got one Akshohini Sainya, which is very powerful army, like Nepal battalion, Gurkhas, Pade, like that I have got. On the other side, I don't fight, I simply keep quiet. So, which do you prefer? He throws the open both to Arjuna, first preference. Arjuna says, Krishna, you know our condition. Supposing I ask for your army, I can't even feed them properly because we are paupers. Being in the opposition, we don't have any wealth at all with us. You are telling us, what do you want?
Muramazana chittaisu
Aha, besh.
Kauravararasana disirivantanu Idasantarisalapanu Bagalayadava Sainya Sagarava ಧರೆಯ ಸಂಪದವಿಲ್ಲದ ಅಡವಿಯದಿರುಗರಾವು ಧರೆಯ ಸಂಪದವಿಲ್ಲದ ಅಡವಿಯದಿರುಗರಾವು ಇನಿ ಬರನು ಸಲೆ ಸಂತರಿಸಲಾಪೆವೇ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀನೇ ಸಾಕು ನೀನೇ ಸಾಕು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀನೇ ಸಾಕು ನಮಗೆ ಯಾರ
கிருஷ்ணா, எங்கள்கிட்ட ஊனு கழிக்கிறதுக்கு பைசா இல்லையானோ. Even to have 2 meals every day I don't have. நீங்கள் மதி வேறொன்னும் வேண்டா in Kerala. ನೀನು ಸಾಕು. Saku means in Kannada enough. It has 2 meanings. Saku means enough and Saku means take care of. Swami, ನೀವೇ ಸಾಕಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ. That's Saku. Sakri, Saku, Madi, enough, poor. Kumarvyasa has used this beautiful word of Nine Saku. Krishna, Ningal, you are Dina Bandhu. You always protect the oppressed. You always protect the weak. You are given title Padma Shri, Padma Vibhushana and Padma Vibhushana title that you are the one who is a friend of the lowly. Like Gandhiji said, Hamara Bhangi logon ko hum sevak hu. I am the servant of the Bhangis, Gandhi said. Krishna says, Arjuna says, you are a sevaka to the bhaktas, deenas. We are in the receiving end and we are your devotees. You are enough for us, the rest I leave it to you.
ನಾವು ಬಡವರು ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ದಿಡ ನೀವೇ ಬೆಂಬಲವು ನಾವು ಬಡವರು ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ದಿಡ ನೀವೇ ಬೆಂಬಲವು ಎಂಬ ಬಿರುದನು ದೇವಾ ಕೇಳಿದು ಬಲ್ಲೆವು ಎಂದನು ಪಾರ್ಥ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದು
ಪಾರ್ಥ ಕೇಳ್ದ. Then he looked at Duryodhana. He didn't even ask him, what do you say? All right, you be happy. You go to them. Give me your army. 1 Akshauhini Sainya, you give it to me. Duryodhana was keen to have the army. Arjuna was keen to have Krishna on his side. Look at the difference between Duryodhana and Arjuna. He is a Sattvika Shiromani, Sakshat. Here is a villain like Hitler who wants to demolish the whole world. So that is the difference between, all right. Krishna less would have changed his mind. He said, supposing Arjuna, no, ask for my army. If he had said, he would have asked for army. So without a second's delay, he said, good, you go to their side. You give us the army.
ನೀವು ಸುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಂಡವರನು ಜೀವಿಸುವುದು ಯಮಗುಳಿದ ಯದು ಭೂಬಾವಳಿಯ ಕೃಪೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂದನು ಸುಯೋಧನನು.
So immediately he said, all right, take the army. Krishna said, okay, agreed. Then Duryodhana said, all right, thank you very much. He was wanting the army. And Krishna's elder brother was Balarama. He was in another palace there in Dwarka. He was in another palace. Balarama had weakness for Duryodhana because he taught him the Gada Yuddham, to fight with the mace Gada. And also in the evening time, Thora was in the habit of drinking. and Duryodhana was supplying whiskey. So he was half drunk sometimes, Balarama. Therefore, he goes to Balarama and says, Gurudeva, Guru, Krishna has given the army. Have you anything to give? He said, I have no accounts in the bank at all. It is Krishna who has the account. You have asked Krishna and he has given whatever he has given, please go. Because Balarama was not in the portfolio of giving. So Duryodhana leaves, goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Both Arjuna and Krishna were looking at him just to say goodbye. And Duryodhana takes his horse and left Dwaraka. Krishna turns towards Arjuna. Arjuna, tum to bevakoof ki bachcha hai. You are a son of an idiot. I offered you an army. And you said, no, I don't want the army. You just give me yourself. I gave you a big sword, powerful sword to fight with the shield, with the cover. And you said, I don't want the katti, but give me only the vare. That is, he said, I do not want. You are an idiot. No, this is not good. Krishna, he makes Arjuna get puzzled. You are really an idiot. You lost a good chance. That is what he says.
Sudagiyanu bisudu Vareyanangi karisidandadali Sudagiyanu bisudu Vareyanangi karisidandadali ಆಗವದ ಸುರ ಭರದ ಯಾದವ ಬಲವನೊಲ್ಲದೆ ಮಂದಮತಿಯಾಗಿ ಮರುಳೇ ಕಾದದ ಕಟ್ಟದ ಎಮ್ಮನು ಬರಿದೆ ಬಯಸಿದೆ ಮರುಳೇ ಕಾದದ ಕಟ್ಟದ ಎಮ್ಮನು ಬರಿದೆ ಬಯಸಿದೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳ್ದೊಡೆ ಮರುಳು ಗುಡ್ಡದೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ ತಮ್ಮದಿರು
Friends, I am sorry we are running of time because I am sure most of you are not familiar with the Gamaka Vachana and this commentary. That's why you are feeling a bit bored, I think. If we have bored you, you will forgive. I will talk only about 6 to 7 minutes to conclude this one. Because supposing you invite us to Goa to give us 1 or 2 evenings, probably we will make Goa people also like this very much. I will give the commentary in either Hindi or English or Tamil or Telugu or any language. But because this is Kannada and probably this way of recitation also you might not be very familiar, but it is remarkable, and I am very happy to say, it's not boasting, we do not have a second man to read Gamaka like Keshamurti ji. That is why this year the government of Karnataka Gamaka division has given him Kumaravyasa Prashasti. The author is Kumaravyasa. First time they have instituted a prize for award and 1 lakh rupees, which Keshamurti ji has got. So he's one of the finest person who recites. Krishna's problem was he was technically very correct. When he said, what is it? I offered you the army, between the army and myself who have given Shastra Sannyasam. You asked for me, Arjuna, how do you fight the battle? And serious, did you take your permission of your elder brother Dharmaraja Yudhishthira? You asked for me, and Duryodhana is left with 1 Akshoyani Sainyam. What is it that you did? Supposing Dharmaraja says, oh no, what you did was wrong. How do you reply to him? That is very important. Arjuna should have said, I will ask the eldest brother, but he didn't. That he says, Now Barigaiyavar, I am empty-handed, because I don't even lift 1 sword. I don't fight. Now Barigaiyavar, Baralu Yamage Avudu. What do you do that one? How do you look after me? I am just to come there. I know how great you are, Krishna. Please do come. Now Barigaiyavar, Summane Kudutukollavaralla. I don't eat, I don't take 1 sip of water in anybody's house unless I work for it. Sweat. Krishna was a karma yogi. Never wanted to be under obligation of anybody. Here, I wish I had more time. The remarkable character of Krishna is shown here. But it comes in such a beautiful, poetic way. Kumaravyasa poet has brought it in such a way. What did you do? What will they